You know what's happening? Y'all know who it is. You know what it is. Your boy JP coming to y'all with another how-to. It's a 2014 Toyota RAV4, and I'm going to show you how to take this radio out. So first things first, obey your thirst and be prepared for the worst. Either way, take your panel removal tool. We want to come right here and we want to pop, flat that. Either way, I came up here at the top and I used this with some light pressure. It's only held in by clips, but that top part has to come out. Right after that, what we want to do is unclip these AC vents. Did the exact same thing, but I came more towards the side or right here at the bottom, and I was able to pop out the right and the left AC vent. Alright, so next thing we want to do after all that's said and done is we want to put our panel removal tool behind here, and we want to pop out this hazard light slash passenger airbag groove. Now you already know what I like to do. If I don't have to take that off, I will not. So I'm gonna try to just move that up here for the time being. Next we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 10 mils. After we take those out, we should be able to have this radio. Alright guys, so a couple clips, 4 10 mils, and a crap ton of harnesses later, we have our factory radio out. So all the parts that I will be using for this will be linked inside the description. If you want to actually see how to wire up a radio, just click that card over there in the corner, and I'm about to go ahead and get this thing hooked up for you guys so we can see what it looks like when it's all getting done. Alright y'all, that's just about it, man. We got the steering wheel controls and all that stuff working real good. Changing the channel up and down, all that stuff as well. Backup camera works all good and everything. Boom. So if you guys find any value in this video, please like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to leave any comments. If you have any questions, leave them down there in the comments. Let me know, and I'll get those back to you as soon as I can. Other than that, all the links to all these product links will be in the description below, and you just make sure you guys hit those links in the description and all that type of stuff, man. Until next time, man, it's your boy JP signing out.